Ah, Prince Harry, the man who just can't get enough of legal battles. It seems like he's always ready to don his shining armor and charge into the courtroom, sword in hand, ready to fight for his privacy. And guess what? Another trial is on the horizon. Today, we were all eagerly awaiting the judge's decision on whether Prince Harry's privacy case against the Mail publisher would proceed. It's like waiting for the latest episode of a courtroom drama series, but with a royal twist. Will justice be served? Will Harry emerge victorious? Well, grab your popcorn, folks, because this legal roller coaster is about to take off. In this corner, we have the Duke of Sussex himself, accompanied by a star-studded cast of fellow claimants, including Elizabeth Hurley, Sadie Frost, Baroness Lawrence, Sir Elton John, and his husband David Furnish. It's like the Avengers of privacy cases, fighting a common enemy. Associated Newspapers Limited, A&L. The allegations are juicy, my friends. We're talking about hiring secret agents, like something out of a James Bond movie, to plant listening devices inside cars. And if that wasn't enough, they allegedly resorted to blagging private records and even recorded private phone conversations. It's like a high-stakes game of espionage, but instead of saving the world, they're fighting for their right to privacy. But wait, there's more. This isn't Prince Harry's first rodeo in the courtroom. Oh no, he's got a whole collection of legal battles under his belt. In fact, this is just one of 6 civil cases he's currently juggling in British courts. It's like he's collecting lawsuits, the way some people collect stamps or Pokémon cards. Gotta catch 'em all, right? Now let's dive into Harry's witness statement, shall we? He claims that Associated's journalists and their trusty private investigators went after him and his loved ones with all the grace of a bull in a china shop. They allegedly hacked his voicemails, tapped his landline, blagged their way into obtaining itemized phone bills, and even tapped into private flight information for his ex-girlfriend. Talk about going the extra mile for some juicy gossip. To make matters even more intriguing, these allegations go way back, all the way to the ancient times of 1993 and 2011. Ah, the good old days, when people still used landlines, and the world was blissfully unaware of the wonders of social media. It's like a history lesson wrapped in a legal drama, sprinkled with a dash of scandal. Now let's hear what the accused, Associated Newspapers, have to say for themselves. According to them, these claims are nothing more than preposterous smears. They argue that these allegations are part of a cunning plan to drag their esteemed publications into the phone hacking scandal, which apparently happened ages ago. They're basically saying, hey, these claims are as outdated as a cassette tape. Move on, folks. So, here we are, folks, at the edge of our seats, waiting to see how this legal battle unfolds. Will Prince Harry emerge victorious and secure his right to privacy? Or will Associated Newspapers prove that these allegations are as fictional as a unicorn riding a rainbow? Only time will tell. But let's take a moment to reflect on the absurdity of it all. In a world where privacy is as fleeting as a shooting star, we find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of lawsuits and courtroom drama. It's like we're living in a reality TV show, where the rich and famous fight for their privacy, while the rest of us wonder what it's like to have our own personal army of lawyers. So my dear viewers, let's grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. After all, history has shown us that when it comes to legal battles and privacy wars, truth is often stranger than fiction. As the ancient aphorism goes, the past is prologue, and in this case, it's one heck of a prologue indeed.